Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I am so excited about this build. This is a very special build because we're going over to Illinois. This is a customer creation to the Dudah family, and they are the kindest people. I won't go into their personal stuff going on, but this is an extended family who is helpful in taking in people into their family that would be in dire situation. So my heart is so big for this build, and we are going to Illinois, and sometimes in Illinois they have a problem with HUD homes. They just have a very strict building code. For example, there's a county over there that requires all new builds to have sprinkler systems, and they just will not budge on some things. So in this situation, we have found a loophole to that. So if you take one of our homes and you attach it to one of yours, it becomes a renovation instead of a new build. So all of the zoning is different. It's a lot more relaxed, and that's what's going on here. I hope through my video I can make this make sense. This is the home right here. This is the A half, and this is actually on the left-hand side. So the way they park these with the front facing the back of the home. Now, this part of the home, the end walls, is what's going to attach to the main house. So if you can imagine the main house, where's my finger? Where'd it go, guys? There it is. The main house is going to sit this way. Imagine I was the street, and then the house sits this way. This home is going to butt up against it like a T. How cool is that? Anyways, I just love when I can think outside the box and we can come up with solutions for family situations and lifestyles that normally would be a huge obstacle. So for a lot less money, they have solved their situation and going to make one big extended family. Let me try to make this make sense. So when this is butted up against the main house that's sitting this way, and it looks like a T, like that, this house will be facing the left-hand side. So we're inevitably going to have an entrance on this side and an entrance on that side going into the extension of the home. So coming into this side is going to be the living area. When we first walk in, by the way, we've got white on the outside. They kept it very basic because they wanted to make sure that it blended in with their house, which is just a residential stick build white with a black roof, I believe. So coming into the side of the house will be the main living area. So this is the living room. By the way, here's another house with tobacco on the floor. Love it. Things are starting to change, and they change just like that. The trends, they come, they go, they come back, they go, whatever. Okay, so originally on this end wall, we had a couple windows. We had a window in the middle, and then on the other side, we had another window in the middle. But I'm attaching this house, this end wall, to the main residential house. So I had to make sure that I got all the windows out of there because they're going to be cutting a big hole, I imagine, somewhere right around here. And by the way, I didn't want to cut the hole. I thought at first maybe I should add a patio door, but no, because I wanted the contractors to be able to have the freedom to see where that opening, so it lined up perfectly with the other house. So what I did was I took one of the windows there and I moved it to the sidewall. So now we have 3 windows in a row. Because remember, there's a light and vent schedule, folks, that is a HUD code. The government decides how much light has to go into your house so that you guys don't get depressed. It's a good thing. So we can't remove any windows, but we can move them around. Anyways, here's the living room. Tobacco on the floor, Casper cashmere on the wall, standard white trim, and we were trying to stay in budget, so we kept things pretty basic here, and we also wanted it to match the main house, so we didn't want to go too crazy, and I think this turned out perfect. To the Dudahs, if you are hearing me and you are listening to me, hi Josh, hi family, and thank you, like I could tear up for letting me be a part of this. Okay, so coming down the hallway, we're gonna come up to the first room. This room is going to belong to Josh. Now, something interesting happened here as well, because on the other side of the wall, we had a coat closet, and we removed that, and we actually turned this room, we needed it to be a little bigger. So we took out the closet, we took out that coat closet, and considered this a den, right? So really, when you see the rest of the bedrooms, this is a 1-bedroom, 2-bath double. Okay, so here's Josh's room. Hi, Josh. Down the hallway here, we've got bath number 2. We put a walk-in shower in there because we've got Uncle in this room. And we did the same thing. He's so sweet too. There's gonna be a mother-in-law over here, if I remember correctly, yes. Mother-in-law over here, so the only female in the extended family, and we girls, we gotta have some closets. So we took this closet and shut off the door, and this is the closet back there that's gonna be for her. How sweet is that? Anyways, okay. So here's den number 2, and then we just took a look at this bathroom. Hi everybody. I get so happy. I really do with these houses and with the people, you know, you design the houses and you meet the people, and my heart just gets so full. So there you have it. Here's one half of the home. Den, bath, den. On the other side of the plastic is going to be primary bedroom, bath, because we added this door in here so that second bath is going to be accessible to everybody, because they plan on putting a second set of washer dryer in there. And then this will be utility. This will be kitchen side. All right, let's go to the other side and check it out. All right, so the way that this landed and the way this house lands, by the way, this is the Clair house. All the information will be in the description. Coming into the back door, here's that utility room I was talking about. So we're gonna have washer dryer here, and we customized the bathroom to make sure we had the same space on the other side of the wall so that they could inevitably tap right into this water system and have washer dryer here, washer dryer in the bathroom to make up for the larger extended family. All right, we got the furnace over there. And then this door is going to go into a hallway. We just saw that across the street. And then water heater here. So panel box also. Let's go see the other part of the house. Okay, boom. There we have it. Here's the part, the dining area, that is attached to the living area, the very first part that we saw. And then this is the end wall that's going to be connected to the residential house. So I imagine they're going to do their cut right about here and extend it over to the other side. And that's how this will attach to the house. There was a window here in the dining. I moved it right there. Here's the kitchen. Timberwolf on the cabinetry. Bronzite on the countertop. Gas stove. We have one more bed and one more bath to check out. Here we go. So on the other side of this wall is the washer dryer area. They're going to try to get another washer dryer over here. We did another walk-in shower. Extended vanity here. Added this door so that this bathroom is accessible to everybody. Because in here is going to be mother-in-law. This will butt up to that closet area I showed you. This will go to the hallway so that she can get out of her bedroom. That's a good thing. We don't want to keep anybody trapped. She can also go right to this primary bath. Another very important thing for a lady is we've got to be able to look good, and we've got to be able to go when we need to go. Otherwise, we got problems. So there you have it, folks. This is the Clair, 3-bed, 2-bath, but we have customized the Dudah home to be a 1-bed, 2-bath because we are actually doing a renovation to an already current residential home. So we're adding on our home to create a T. Please call me. Let's talk about this. If this is something you're interested in doing, 260-383-1009. As always, everybody, thank you for watching. I'm Christina, the Mobile Home Mama.